what I'm saying? You just make you some money, drive you some cars, and do all that fly ass shit, fuck you some hoes. But now this shit, it's just deeper than rap. If you ain't got, man, you can't let a nigga pack you up. You ain't no more how niggas used to ride, sell, make cars, deep, all that. Niggas ain't riding like that no more. This everybody want to be the top dog, you know what I'm saying? But you know, shit get down like that. Each his own, you know what I'm saying? You know, if you want 8s, this nigga want 60. If it fits you, you gotta do what fits you. You can't do what the next nigga do. You feel me? You gotta act your ways. If you ain't got it like that, don't go like that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody ain't able. You know, but you know it is what it is. You know, you just gotta be you. You can't be no hoe nigga. You feel me? Just be you. Do what you gotta do.
Who motivated you in the game?
You know, shit, that was my uncle them, you know what I'm saying? I can't lie. My old boy them, you know, I was a shorty, you feel me? I was 22, you know? But you know, I seen them do that shit. My favorite car is I don't see me driving no Lamborghinis and all that crazy ass shit.
Yeah, you heard what the man said, man. But that's how we gonna roll, man. We bringing it back. Ain't no big eye little you in my crew,
They
dog.
counted me out. They thought it was over. They thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me. Now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of me. Ramen noodles all day.
78Chevyboi's, man. We out here today. Y'all gotta excuse me for the wind, man. Gonna be a lot of wind noise. It's windy here in Memphis today, man. But I'm still gonna get y'all that footage. I'm gonna get y'all that footage, man. All right, check it out, man. It's another car show. It's another Rolling Carshow, man. We out here. Memphis Mike with that new squat, man. Y'all see it? He took that thing. That's it right there. Y'all know I love that squat. He shortened the rear end, set it on down, man. So he relocated the brakes. He moved his brakes down so it won't hit the frame. Got KJ out here. C10 OG. Big lips, man. Then we got Beelo out here. About to jump out here in traffic for a minute, man. I'm out here and mess with my boy Archie. Then y'all know Penny. Y'all already know Penny, man. Yeah. Penny. Trying to check my calendar. Excuse the wind, man. Excuse the wind. Everybody's squatting. I'm loving that squat on the MC, man. I'm loving that squat. Yes, sir. Like my beat down low, down low, down low, down low. Chevybois, man. I had to slow up for my guys, man. We get on this highway, they gonna tell me to leave. We get on this highway, now they back there, man, putting around. I'm finna tell them to come on around in front of me, man. My boy Memphis Mike, KJ, and Beelo, man. I'm gonna tell them to come on around me. With me in the front, we ain't gonna be together. So I'm gonna mess around and lead them every time, man. So I'm about to call Beelo and tell them to come on see him come around. Give me a second. Get out here, man. Memphis Black pulled up on us. We out here on this slab, man. Memphis Black pulled up on us, man. You know what I'm saying? Man, got the Cutlass, he got the Impala, and he got this C7, man. Yes, sir. I'm rolling that C7, man, Memphis Black. Take it, man. It's summer. It's summer, man. Better get with it. Better get with it, man. You gonna be out here. We gonna be out here, man. We gonna be a rolling car show for real, man. For real, for real. Don't play with it. We're just out here enjoying this 70-degree weather, man. We enjoying it. We've been on the slab. It's like a little 40. I think we going out here holler at Archie, man. He got the hot dog stand set up in his old neighborhood. We headed out here, man, to mess with him. And it's like a little 40-minute ride from the house. Good mileage, man. We on the slab, baby. 78Chevyboi's, y'all stay tuned. We're gonna pull up in a minute. Alright? Just jumped off the slab, man. Just jumped off the slab. Watch this car show right quick. Watch this. Watch this. On the slab out here off of 269 on Stewart Road with it. Whole car show out here, man. Like I said, we had Black jumping line behind us, man. With the Z61. Got KJ, got Beelo, man. Got a whole car show out here, man. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man. We out here, baby. We out here, man. Memphis Mike trying to settle down. He's squatting even harder, man. Y'all see this? He's squatting even harder. MC thing, man. Super squat. Y'all know I like this, man. Come through like, ugh. Yeah, man. Y'all see it again, man. We out here at Archie's hot dog stand. All the way out here in, what's it called? Chapel Hill. Chapel Hill. We out here in Chapel Hill with it. Huh?
They call it Chapel Hill.
Yeah.
But we call it Chapel Hill.
Okay, okay.
You don't got it real.
We out here, man.
That's an uncle right there, man.
Yeah, he told.
Yeah.
He told. Come out here and support my boy, man. All them already bought?
No.
Yeah, I'll take one of them jumps. Oh yeah. Real, them real drunk, that boy.
I ain't know all day either.
We out here, man. Memphis Mike. Hey, we got Unc out here. Y'all see it. We got my guy right there. We out here. We out here, man. That's your vet? Yeah. Okay. Make sure I show his vet, man.
He won't let me drive.
Huh?
He won't let me drive.
He won't let you drive? There's a reason he won't let you drive. But there it is then. There it is. Got the vet out here, man. Hey, we just fellowshipping, man. That's what it's all about, man. We out here just having fun. Pulled up on them. Made it a car show out here in their city, man. Beelo Nation.
Fine, Beelo Nation.
Y'all see it, man.
Man, boy, they been like a wild out road. Yeah, you been right.
We out here, man. There's some beer on the back porch. Yeah, we out here, man. We out here, baby. Got some penny back there. Oh, that orange show hidden, boy. No, Mike got the last one.
They ain't got nothing but
see that smoke sausage busting open, man. Yeah, right here, man. Gotta support my guy, man. Anytime he pull it out, I'm buying something. Whatever. If I'm around, man, gotta support him, man. We got that fire, and it ain't them little Oscar Mayers, man. Yeah. Check my boy out with that torch, man. Watch this shit. Buzzing that thing open. You ain't gotta wait. Look it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Yeah, we out here. That's why we getting on out of here, man, for night. Yeah, man. Pulled up on my boy and got us a little meal. Man. Right here on the whip. Eating on the whip, man. You see it? You can look in that joint, man. You can look in. Piece of this hot dog.
See you ride with your buddy too, man.
Got to.
It's American Express, ain't it?
Hey, y'all see what's going on? Y'all see what's going on, man? Man, the man said we ain't finna come to his hood, man. Said we got him messed up, bro. Yeah, man, we left Millington. We all out here in Cordova with it. All out here in Cordova with it, man. Heading back to our side. We're gonna go through Cordova, go through Germantown, then we're gonna be back on the east side, man. We'll be back on the east side then. Keep it locked. I believe we might stop over at the gas station or something, wrap things up, and take it on in, man. 78Chevyboi's. Alright? Yeah, man. It's probably my 5th time turning these wipers on out of 12 years I done own the car, man. Caught in the rain. Rain, go away. Look at that boy sitting, man. Look how that boy sitting. Woo! Look how he sitting. Yes, sir. Hey, I need to get over. Yeah, man, we out here. We heading on in now, man. We had a good ride for the day, and we're gonna go and get it in the house. That is. Beelo behind us, KJ behind us. Get that thing camping, man. See, I need to turn, and my boy beside me in the turning lane. So you already know what I'm about to do. Straight like that. Straight like that. Got caught in the rain, man. It's alright though. It ain't raining no more, but we was coming from down on that end, man. Hard rain. We out here. KJ went on to the house. Welcome to the squat game, man. Welcome to the squat game. We out here just riding, baby. Just riding, man. This the last stop, man. About to head on in. KJ already gone to the house, man. We got out, did some good riding today. Finna head in, man. We gonna be plenty of this coming. It ain't even hot yet and we getting it in good, man. So, got my boy Beelo. Anything you want? What's your handle, man, on IG? All that?
Beelo25 on YouTube. Bubba Chevy Beelo on Instagram.
All right.
Memphis Mike 1985 on Instagram. Memphis Mike on YouTube.
All right. You got?
Keyshawn.21.
There we go.
Instagram.
There we go, man. Had to plug everybody, man. We up out of here, man. 78Chevyboi's, y'all stay humble, stay prayed up, stay out the way, man. We out.
I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got a green game. My seven. I'm keeping it my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.